United 1389, passing 4,000, climbing via the net 3 up to 190.
United 1389, Las Vegas departure, radar contact.
For United 1389, we've got I think a gear configuration warning. Can you put us at an altitude and get us off the set, please?
United 1389, right of that, flight present heading, maintain 10,000.
Present heading 10,000, United 1389.
United 1389, turn left, heading 130.
Left 130, United 1389. United 1389, we're going to be trying to call our maintenance team on this, but we'll probably end up having to return to Las Vegas.
At 1389, no problem. Just let me know when you're ready, and I just want to verify your negative emergency at this time.
Right now, negative, but that may change. We're getting a configuration warning right now. You can probably hear it over the radio. We're just trying to troubleshoot.
United 1389, right of that.
United 1389, we're going to declare an emergency. We're still going to need several minutes just to run a checklist, but we have 181 souls on board, and fuel is about 200 minutes, and the weight is 21.4 gas.
Yeah, 1389, understand, expect runway 26 right, the winds are 190 at 12, altimeter is 2984. Flight heading 260, would one more kind of circle there be enough time?
Yeah, we want to, give me a few minutes here, another circle out here would be great, and then I'll let you know when we're ready to shoot an approach.
Excellent, United 1389, flighting 260, expect 26 right.
Okay, heading 260, expecting 26 right, thank you.
United 1389, turn left heading 180, and when you've got time, I've got one more question for you.
Alright, sorry, what was that first part?
United 1389, flighting 180.
180, what's the question?
United 1389, I just wanted, what's, I guess, the status of the issue? Are your gear stuck down, or are they stuck up? Just trying to pass as much information as we can to the vehicles.
No, the gear are moving fine. We just dropped them to help burn some gas. We're showing 3 green, good gear. We're just getting an unusual indication for a takeoff config that we should be getting. And while looking at it, we burned too much gas to continue out to Houston, so we're going to have to come back. That's the reason for the emergency.
Roger that, thank you. Yeah, 1389, if I start taking you towards kind of northwest towards Flies for the RNAV 26 right, would that be enough time, or would you like to continue east and then maybe just go north for a little bit, delay a little longer to work on the issue?
Yeah, give me a few more minutes, please. We're also burning a little bit more gas because we're going to be landing up our way. So if you can put a box or something, whatever we can do.
Okay, yep, no problem. Just let me know when you're ready to come in.
Okay, so remain here on that heading now with you. It's okay. 10,000.
Yes, sir. United 1389, present heading 10,000, and we'll just do one more box for you.
That's great. Thank you. United 1389. Yeah, that's working for 26 right.
Unfortunately, it is not. It'll have to be RNAV. If you'd like an ILS, we can always go to 26 left.
That's fine. We'll plan for the RNAV 26 right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And approach for United 1389, we're ready to accept the approach. Can we do a left turn basically to join us?
Yeah, 1389, affirmative, turn left turn direct to Flies and intercept the 26 right final approach course.
Left turn direct to Flies and intercept the 26 right approach course, United 1389.
United 1389, information Mike's current winds are 190 at 15, altimeter is 2984.
Alright, we've got Mike and 2984, United 1389, thank you.
And United 1389, just be advised, 26 right is shortened, available runway is 4,123 feet available. United 1389, descend to maintain 8,000, contact approach 135.0, have a good day.
Alright, down to 8,000, 135.0, United 1389.